Well, it was supposed to start snowing last night, I guess, but that didn't happen. Let's grab some coffee. These dogs are itching to get out. I haven't even peeked out the window yet to see what's going on. Oh, I can see it behind me. It's snowing. What you think, Riggs? You ready to go out play in the snow? Coming down pretty good. They were saying up to a foot. That didn't happen. I think the snow level raised up higher. The dogs must be going after a squirrel or something over there. Who knows? Definitely not getting up to too much today. Haven't been up to too much this week, honestly. I missed last week because same thing. Just not a whole lot going on. Weather's been crummy. Haven't been able to get out and do too much. The high country's just slammed. I don't know if any of you all have heard on the news reports, but unfortunately around that Castle Peak area we lost some backcountry skiers. That was pretty catastrophic loss. I think 9 total. Couple really serious injuries, and I think there were 15 people missing. They found like 6, I think, the first day, and it's really kind of just get you by the feels. Heart goes out to all those families. It's just a shame. Avalanches and stuff are just nothing to play with. 3 weeks of warm weather and icy conditions and fresh new snow. Really unfortunate, but let's just get some more of these nice shots of the snow falling. Sure is pretty. Brr, let's go grab some coffee. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a hangout, drink some coffee, sit by the fire. Super nice and toasty. Watch the snow fall. Watch a little slow roamers on YouTube and get some inspiration. They got a pretty cool channel. They've been around for a bit. If you haven't seen them, you should check them out. But yeah, I might take the dogs out, go run around in the snow here after a little bit. This is nice. I've been hoping for this all winter long, and of course here we are at the tail end, and it finally arrives. Luckily where we're at, we get enough snow for it to be pretty and enjoyable, but we don't get slammed too hard. We've lived in that in the past, and getting up every couple hours to cut a path so you can drive out, or just being snowed in, kind of gets old after a while, especially when these bones are getting old and creaky. Sure is cool though. All right, well, got the insulated bibs on, got some coffee in me, much needed. Speaking of which, we are part of Buy Me a Coffee now on this channel, so anybody ever feels like they'd like to buy me a cup of joe, links down there in the description. I had to get Riggs his jacket on. He gets pretty cold fast, so we like to keep him warmed up, huh buddy? Get your Carhartt on. There, oh yeah. He knows what's coming. He's excited, huh? Yeah boy. Yeah, boy, let's see here. Now if I can just figure out how this works. There we go. All right. Oh, Miss Lily too. Hold on, I gotta get my jacket too, guys. All right. A little bit slippery out here. Almost fell on my butt. After all that spring-like weather, we finally got a winter. Definitely a little bit late this year. We'll take it though. Definitely not the latest we've gotten snowfall before. How about you guys? You get any snow where you're at? How much did you end up getting? Let me know in the comments. Well, all right, folks. Hope you have a good one. Hope everybody's taking care and being safe out there. A lot going on in the world. So we're going to enjoy the rest of our hike in the snow and get back up to the house and spend the rest of the day drinking coffee and maybe some butter tea. That sounds pretty good. If you don't know butter tea, look it up. It's actually delicious. Hopefully we can get out on some new adventures here pretty soon. So take care of yourselves, and as you all know, the woods are for meandering. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.